Hello everybody and welcome to Market Mentor AI. I'm Philip, I'll be your host and I'll show you around how to use Market Mentor AI. So there's an idea to build the newest generation AI into trading, and this is what we've done here. So you'll have a chat window that is operating the newest large language models and is connected to real-time data from the stocks or from the markets in general, Forex, crypto, whatever you will select. And as you can see, you can take this window and it's floatable, so you can take it wherever you want. And the first thing you want to do is select an asset. So from the top left corner here, you'll be able to select from almost 100 assets. This is an ever expanding list as we are working on it. So I'll start with your dollar, my most favorite one.
Moving to your USD, what would you like to know?
You're using the great graphs from TradingView, and it's awesome to have this integrated into the AI. So how it works is whenever you select an asset, it starts receiving real-time data. So now you can ask anything you basically desire. You would like to know whether it's a trading scenario, whether it's an idea, whether you want to discuss your take profits or stop losses, whatever you just crosses your mind. So when you select an asset, you'll be presented with a graph in the 5-minute chart. That's the basic one. But for different operations, you've got different modes over here. So if you click over here, you can select from different situations that you're probably looking into. You can do short-term or long-term analysis. You can do signals or scalping, which is basically, fast-paced trading options or ideas. You can read economic news for Forex and indexes. Then you get global news for given assets. So whenever you are selected on a asset, for example, on your dollar, or you would be on stock, for example, Tesla, it will be able to read for you and analyze the top, news available across the internet. And you've got educational talk, and it's for you guys who want to know more about trading in general. No question is a dumb question. You can ask it all here, and it's awesome for learning purposes. So let me show you the short-term analysis, how it works. Basically, what you can do in this mode is ask for up to 24 hours spectrum or time frame ideas. So if you want to know how the trend behaves in the past 24 hours and what is happening in the graph, you can definitely go ahead and ask it here. The questions can be, you can type them here like you're in your normal chat, or you can ask them using this button which you click. It will start recording, and then you click it again to send the message to the AI. So I'll try to use this one. Can you tell me what's happening with the trend right now? The message is transcribed to the chat, and it will be received shortly.
Based on the 5-minute and 1-hour data, the trend for EUR/USD appears to be relatively bullish. The price has been making higher highs and higher lows, indicating upward momentum.
Every time you're done with the voice message, or you want to pause it, you can use this button over here to silence it. As you can see, it analyzed the market, and obviously it's in a bullish move right now, but there's probably some pattern going on which we could then dive into a little bit later. By selecting different modes, for example, if I'm going to go switch to long-term, the graph automatically switches to ideal one, which is the 4-hour now. In the long term, you can get analysis up to a month, so it kind of should give you an idea in a longer spectrum how the market behaves. Then we've got the signals mode, which is basically very fast-paced mode for, I would say, short-term traders, like if you want to go really speedy, 5, 10, 15, 20-minute trades, and so on. Then we got a scalper mode, over here. Scalper mode, which is a different graph a little bit, because it will show you different indicators in there. The indicators we have picked and integrated into the AI are always correlated with the ideology and the know-how the AI has. So in the scalper mode, as you can see, it has successfully loaded trend lines, which are the greens and red ones, suggesting bullish or bearish moves in the 5-minute time frames. But it also scans for patterns. As you can see over here, for example, we have a doji pattern, or over here we got the bearish engulfing. So you can use those and also talk about them to the AI to kind of give you a better idea. So for example, I can ask, I can see the pattern chasing up the M over here, head and shoulders basically, maybe could be. So let me ask it. It seems that there is a head and shoulders pattern, so maybe there's going to be a bearish momentum. What do you think about that?
You with real-time information. Based on the market data, I can see that there is a potential head and shoulders pattern forming. However, it's important to note that patterns alone do not guarantee a specific outcome.
Okay, so as you can see, the AI is aware of that. However, it didn't give us any idea because sometimes it could be a dangerous spot. And I think this is what's happening here because as you can see, we're in a bullish move here. There's some potential to go a little bit down here, but still it could go through this resistance level and just fly through the roof. So, and you can also continue on asking more and more intricate questions, so to speak, that will get you more and more information. Then for the news here, we've got the economic news, which will load the data from the economic data as they come out, and also global news, which will read the top news for the particular asset. So let's try this one. Can you summarize the news for me? Thank you. This can take a little bit longer because it has to scrape the data and compile them for you, so it can take up to like a half a minute. But when it eventually does, it really can compile some good stories and information for you to decide what you want to do in the current market, and how to reason for your upcoming trades and trading scenarios. So let the AI work on that.
Certainly. Here is a summary of the news for EUR/USD. 1. Dollar eases as week of key central bank decisions kicks off. The dollar has seen a slight decrease in value as investors await important central bank decisions. 2. Easy.
I'm going to pause it here, but as you can see, it's, it read the news and it kind of gives me an overall summary of what's going on. And right in the beginning, the first one was like the dollar is a little bit getting eases as a week of key central bank decision kicks off. So that could be the potential, upwards move here, making the euro a little bit stronger now. And then we've got the educational talk, and you can then ask any questions that you are, curious about. For example, can you tell me what is a pip?
Meeting. Stock markets are experiencing mixed.
All right, there we go.
Of course, Philip. In Forex trading, a pip stands for percentage in point. It is a unit of measurement that represents the smallest increment of a currency pair's exchange rate.
All right, excellent. So as you can see, this tool is here to help you better navigate the markets and do better decisions. For me as a trader, mostly I use it to avoid mistakes. So, we have compiled this software to be as helpful for traders as it can possibly be. We are using the best of the league indicators that are available on the markets. It is always tailored to the different modes. So when you're using long-term, there's more of a, moving averages and super trends. When you're using scalping, for example, you're using the different patterns and looking for the patterns in the graph itself. And every time you ask it something, you can and you're kind of stuck, what should be the next question or what should I ask? There is the suggestions or ask me and help over here, which can then generate 5 upcoming questions for you. So as you can see, what is the current trend for your dollar based on technical analysis? So if I click on it, it will then generate the answer automatically for me.
Philip, based on the technical analysis, the current trend of EUR/USD is showing a slight bullish bias.
As you can see, it took the real-time data and answered for you. You can also ask for take profits and stop losses, but bear in mind this is not a financial tool, so it doesn't give you financial advices because AI cannot be like a financial advisor yet. However, there is this disclaimer for that, and if you bear this in mind and if you're okay with that, you can use the tool to whatever extent you desire. Of course, remember, this cannot trade for you. Everything you do, every move or open position or anything you create for yourself is just your own decision. So we cannot really be responsible for what the AI tells you or what it navigates you to. So bear in mind that it's an information tool to help you better navigate in the markets, as I've said before. And also, I wanted to point out that there is an active alert signals mode. I wanted to show you this one mode. So those little red dots over here, you can click on them, and if you enable those, it will then start scanning the markets for you. And whenever you're here in the chat and it sees a potential for a trade, it will actually let you know. So it will pop up a message here that'll be telling you, hey, listen, I have found a potential move, trade in this kind of market, you can click on it. There's going to be a button. And if you click on it, it automatically switches to the graph, analyzes it for you, depending on the mode which you're in, actually. And then it starts reasoning what you should do and gives you an idea or suggestions what's gonna happen with the market. Also, I wanted to point out that there is, as for the indicators in the graphs, so we've compiled in the scalping mode. There is the really advanced super trend and also the patterns. So that should really help you better understand what's gonna come next. For example, when I switch to the signals mode, there is the crossing of moving averages and a super trend, the basic one, which is more, let's say, general. So those ideas should give you plenty of tools to get the maximum out of trading as possible. The service is available at $39 a month, which is I think, really reasonable price and can get you ahead of the game for sure. Then you can also go to settings over here, so you can change the voice here and change it to, USA male or female or British female. You can change your nickname here. You've got some links here, which are to our, for example, Discord channel, where you can talk to other people and get testimonials and, exchange ideas. Then you can also change your password and sign out in case you want to close the application. And that's basically it. And you can use the chart, as you probably are familiar from TradingView, so you can, draw to the chart and do your notes and so on. You don't have to reload this app. You can leave it on every time there is a new update, as we are still progressing this tool. The AI will tell you, and then it will ask you to reload it. However, it's no necessary to close this or reload at any times, because the AI is available 24/7 to you. So I hope this answers most of your questions. I know, I hope that you have learned the basics, how to use Market Mentor AI, and I'll be looking forward to you use the tool and make the maximum out of it. And I wish you all happy trading. Okay, take care.